Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Happy Friday. Hope your head is on a swivel. A lot of news coming out. Upbeat rhetoric from U.S. and China trade talks. Started to get the ball rolling from the overnight lows. The S&P is out to a new swing high, and the Russell's melting upwards right now. The NASDAQ, though, is a little more contained. We're consolidating. Now, you do have a three-day weekend ahead, and today's close, which is a week 3 options expiration close, is going to be crucial. Again, stay nimble. You're seeing the S&P holding up a little better than the NASDAQ. To the downside, we're looking at support in the NASDAQ, 70.15 to 70.20. If that could get below there, we could see a little bit of a turn of tables, but ultimately, too, watch that S&P is hanging much better than the NASDAQ is right now. And then revert to our Morning Express for some of those levels, because they're all still valid in one degree or another. And then look at the crude oil. We did say we were wrong yesterday getting bearish. The market got above 54 in the March contract, and that's when we were wrong. But now we're seeing a roll into the April. April is for a month. And listen, this takes the handcuffs off crude oil. April contract is higher, and it's out above major 3-star resistance. This is a breakout. If we can close above 55.55 and 55.75 area, that is a breakout. And ultimately, we will be targeting, this thing could move up to 59. We lay out the fundamentals in the Morning Express. Check it out. Yesterday's bearish EIA report, the market recovered. And when that closed back above 54, it totally did not go down with the bearish report, and you have bigger fundamentals at work here, and now you have the handcuffs again off crude oil with the March contract expiration. And then lastly, gold is performing well, but key resistance 1321, 1323 is keeping that price action in check. The dollar index did rally up on those comments coming from the ECB with TLTRO potential, but this is ultimately long-term good for gold. But while the dollar index is higher, it's going to handcuff gold right now too. So keep an eye on what gold does, but we wouldn't be surprised to see gold try to really get out there and see it about $10 higher over the early part of next week. If this dollar, which is starting to come off the highs, can continue to do so. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.